Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are diving into one of the essential commands in Linux, the touch command. You might have seen it in various tutorials or heard about it, but let's break it down and see how powerful and versatile it can be. So what exactly is touch command? Well, in Linux, touch is used primarily to create empty files, but its capabilities go beyond just that. Let's start with the basics. To create a file using touch, you simply type touch followed by the name of the file you want to create. And just like that, we have created a file named file1.txt. If this file already exists, touch updates is timestamp, which can be handy for certain scripting tasks. Now let's explore some useful options with touch. Using touch, you can change both access and modification timestamps of file. This is especially useful when you need to simulate certain conditions or set specific times. We are using -t to specify the timestamp in the format year, month, date, hours and minutes, followed by the file name. Let's check the updated timestamp. See, it's updated to midnight 12 of 1st Jan 2024. Additionally, touch supports creating multiple files at once and even setting timestamps based on another file. So let's create 3 files and set their timestamps using a reference file. Then file3.txt for getting time difference between file 1 and file 2. And now let's create file2.txt. Now let's check their current timestamps using command ls-l. As in this result, we can clearly see the timestamp difference between file1.txt and file2.txt. Now let's change the timestamp of file 2 using considering file 1 as a reference file. Here we have to use the command touch-r file1.txt space file2.txt. Now let's check the updated timestamps. Now we can see the difference between previous result where it was 17 minutes and in the recent result we have got the timestamp of 16 minutes for file2.txt. So there you have it. The touch command in Linux is not only for creating files but also for managing the timestamps efficiently. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video on the touch command helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Linux tutorials. And let me know in the comments if there are any other commands or topics you would like me to cover. Until next time, happy coding. Bye.